Hello everyone, we're doing the biscuit test on our new 24 by 55 Shirley Fab traditional flow. And here I just have some Grand's home style biscuits that we have spaced out through all the racks on both levels. My pit, last time I checked, I think it was about 220, 225. So she's coming up, and I just pinched my damper down a little bit. So once we get it on, I think we're gonna hold temperatures pretty good. Anywhere from 225 to 275, I'm fine. I'm not too fussed about it. If it gets to 300, I'm still fine. We're gonna bake these biscuits and then we're gonna come back and see the result. Guys, just keep in mind, this is a open flow pit. I do not have a downward heat deflection. I do not have tuning plates. And of course, I do not have a reverse flow plate. And doing the seasoning, I know right here on this side here, you can see a little bit of darker color. So this is a hot spot. We know that's gonna happen coming out of the throat on a open flow. So let's keep that in mind. And then I think from right here, I was doing some testing with my wireless thermometer. That's when it evens out somewhere in here. So we got all that. And then of course, the top is gonna be fine. So guys, I'm very, very interested to see what the results gonna be. I know you guys are too. So hey, I'm gonna shut her down. Hey guys, we're back. It's been about 15, 20 minutes. I just wanted to show you that stack. We're running about 275 degrees, clear, thin blue smoke, vapors and blue smoke back and forth, just depending on how much air hits the box. But man, that's crazy. That's what you want. That is what you want. But like I said, we're running about 275, 280. Both gauges are dead even. And that's that fire that's running 280. Did a half a charcoal chimney of unlit coals, one skinny stick, then we did just a little meteor stick, something small, and took our time to let it bring the cooker up to temperature. And like we said, this is a marathon, not a race. We're not trying to go crazy with the temps. We're just gonna let it do its thing. And hey guys, it's been about 20 minutes. Let's take a look and see what we got on the inside. I don't think they're quite ready yet. I should see some patterns. Oh wow, they're looking good. Looking good. It's right on schedule what we thought. Super hot as the heat come up, get a little hot in there, then it mellows out. So yep, guys, well, let's keep you posted now. Hey guys, it's been about 15 to 20 minutes. Let's see what we got. Oh wow, beautiful, beautiful. And guys, just as we can see the camera's picking up, these two are the hottest. They're a little colored on the bottom. We knew we were gonna get that with this throat and with the open flow design. So I think these two are ready to pull. Let's pull these two. Second, let's look at the bottom. We'll keep it real. Golden brown bottom from that direct heat. We know that. Golden brown top. Bottom a little dark. Still edible if need to. Go good with some jelly and jam. Organic honey. All right, so here we are. So that heat, what's that telling me? That looks pretty good. Probably go 2 more minutes. 3 more minutes. So what that's telling me, that heat is coming up. Heat is coming up, going up, then mellowing out. Coming up, going out, and mellowing out. So it's coming up, then that stack pulls it back down, and mellowing out. So it looks pretty good, man. Very, very, very great results. Good result. So I'm thinking, be safe, that's the hot spot. Be safe, right here on back. We'll be good to go, whole top even. So a little hot spot, but that's why you rotate. That's good. So let's go another 3 minutes. And I think 3 minutes, these two guys will be done. And that'll get the two main hot spots. Hot spot number 1, hot spot number 2. Then I think everybody else should finish at the same time. Yep, I think they will. All right. All right, guys and girls, let's say 3 minutes. Be right back. Hey guys, just wanted to bring you back real quick and look at these gauges. We're at about 225, 220, 230. So guys, that's awesome for a traditional flow. 225, 230. All right, guys, welcome back. It's been a few minutes. We added some wood to the fire. It's been about 10 minutes. Let's see what we got, I think. Oh, wow, that looks beautiful. Man, look at the evenness. Like we said, for a recap, that hot spot down here on the left was the hot spot. And we know that this is an open flow, traditional flow. No tuning plates, no baffle plates, no downward heat deflector, nothing. Heat comes up, then that stack pulls it on out. So we already pulled the two right here. These are the two. They're done. Bottom a little toasty. And then I think the next two is going to be ready. These two guys right here. Wow, that's pretty. Ready for some peanut butter and jelly. Beautiful. Ready for some sausage and gravy. All right, so let's take a look. Let's take a peek. Can you see these two? A few more minutes. Awesome. Wow, that's wow. So what that's telling me, that heat is coming out, growing up, then it disperses. So this is awesome. So let's go I said another 10 minutes, and I think everybody else will be done. And I'll be back. But this is a good setup, man. Very, very pleased. All right, guys, I think everybody's ready. Let's zoom in and see what we got. Open her up. Wow, golden brown, even. And let's do a quick recap. Super hot spot, heat comes up, hits right here, then it disperses out. Guys, all these are ready at the same time. That's amazing. So we're gonna pull them off, take a final shot, but this is amazing. Really can't complain. Traditional flow, open flow, no baffle plates, no tuning plates. And we just use these hot spots to our advantage. Nothing's burnt, golden brown, bottom looking good. Wow, this is amazing. If you was to cook these in the oven, it might look better on the smoker than in the oven. So this is amazing. So here you have it. Biscuit test on the 24 by 55 Shirley Fab. The first one ever cabinet model 24 by 55 traditional flow. Here you have it, guys. I thank you guys for watching this far. The biscuits came out perfect. You know, the two in the hot spot at the throat were a little dark at the bottom. We knew that was going to happen. Hey, I got a good secret for you guys. Upcoming on the Shirley Fab, I have a 17-pound Angus prime brisket that is going on. Guys, please be on the lookout for that video. I'm excited. It's huge. It's a lot of fat. It's a lot of trimming and a lot of beef. We're going to get it done. And I'm looking forward to seeing how this Shirley rocks this brisket. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I look forward to the next video. Until then, cook and barbecue 24/7.